Last Cyberpunk update, Cyberpunk 2077 pre-order sales have already covered the entire development and marketing cost.
Wow.
That's a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
That's a couple dollars. Imagine, that means that the sales have already covered the employment of the entire development team over the last 8 years.
Yes. Yeah,
8 years of salaries.
That's very impressive.
That is some big money right there. In a short report to investors, the management board of CD Projekt says that the estimated licensing royalties receivable by the company in association with pre-order sales across all of its digital distribution channels have exceeded the sum of both the game's development cost and marketing expense. That's big. Marketing expense as well. That's all that Keanu money. That's
big money.
Yeah, that's included in here. This is thanks to just pre-order sales across PS4, PS5, Xbox One S, X, and Stadia and PC. So I don't know if this story, I don't know if this is a good story right now, because you got these people who are upset with their experience with the game. However, those people that are upset with the experience of the game, they already kind of impacted the company. In fact, the company's stock dropped 29% following news of performance issues and an underwhelming reception from console gamers. So people were nervous. They're like, wait a sec, are we going to recoup the costs over here? So then they put out this information in a report to say, no, everything's cool. Everything's good.
Yeah.
Business is fine. It's good for gamers too, actually. I know you're sitting there thinking, wait, subpar experience, these guys are rolling in cash. It's like, well, yeah. If they're rolling in cash and things are going well, then
they could possibly
Will wants to say this
spend
part.
more money on technical support, development,
hiring more people to deal with maintenance and fixing things and bugs and all the rest of it. Will wanted to come in with that.
Which I would say CDPR is pretty good at technical support and listening to, their consumers.
Willie do.
The Witcher 3.
Willie do jumped all over this one. He wants me to back off. He wants it to be clear. He's voting for CD Projekt on this one. He thinks they're going to pull it off.
Well, I'm in it for the developers. I really think that they could do a good job of fixing this.
Willie do.
Yeah.